YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a quick review. I purchased this whitening tooth powder. It's the Magic Mud. It came with this toothbrush. It's a wooden brush and it has black bristles on it. So I'm going to be using that with that. It says lab tested, deeply cleans, gentle on enamel, detoxes, fights plaque, made with activated charcoal and clay. It's a whitening tooth powder, whitens and polishes, safe and pure, fluoride free and kid friendly. It says it's vegan, cruelty free, gluten free, non-GMO, no fluoride. It's supposed to help with red wine teeth stains, and I do have some red wine and green tea stains. Okay, the direction says read insert before use, which I did. Carefully open the jar over the sink using the hygienic applicator. Scoop a small amount under the tongue or on top of damp bristles. Brush gently for 2 minutes with lips closed. Keep mouth close to the sink. Spit slowly into the sink with running water. Rinse thoroughly and floss. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this and do this with you guys just to see if I notice a difference. I'm going to go ahead and wet my toothbrush. Okay, so that's wet. So now I'm going to go ahead and just open this. Oh, wow. Okay, so it has a lot of powder in there. It's really messy. And it has a little scoop. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna use that. I'm just gonna stick the toothbrush inside. It comes with like this little scoop that you can scoop on your toothbrush, but I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, so I purchased this on Amazon for probably like 10 bucks or something very cheap. I'll go ahead and link down in the description box below where you can get this from. I have wanted to try this out for the longest time, but I just, you know, didn't think about it. And I heard that, you know, charcoal does a lot of things, especially the activated charcoal. So yeah, and I like it because it's kid friendly. So not that I'm going to use it on my kids or anything, but you know, normally things that are kid friendly, it's pretty organic or natural. So I have this and I went ahead and damped my toothbrush in the water. So I'm gonna not sure how much of an amount I should get. I guess that's good. So I went ahead and put it on there. So I'm gonna look at the clock for 2 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and do this, okay? I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Okay, you guys. I honestly I kind of think it did a little something, like maybe polish my teeth. So with that being said, I can honestly say that I do recommend this, just because I feel like it did a nice polish on my teeth. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a 7-day trial on it to, you know, brush my teeth with this in the morning and at night, just to compare the difference to see if it actually whitened it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But for now, yeah, I totally do recommend this, because it feels like it did do like a good polish over my teeth, and I'm excited to try it and see if it actually works. I have at-home bleaching trays, and I do purchase the syringe, the bleach that you put on your bleaching trays. But I feel like sometimes like my teeth get very sensitive, or they are very sensitive to the, after I do bleach them, like they're sensitive to like cold and hot, and I feel like sometimes some of that bleach is like wearing away my enamel. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link this down in the description box below if you're interested. And you guys let me know if you've tried anything similar or something like it, or even this, and if it actually works. But I will definitely be doing a 7-day trial challenge just to see if it actually whitens my teeth. But yeah, for today, I'm so excited. In the ingredients, it says activated coconut shell charcoal, calcium bentonite clay, certified organic orange peel extract powder, certified organic mint extract powder. So yeah, I love it because it's organic. But like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any requested videos, definitely put them down in the description box below, and I will try and get it up or get them as soon as I can for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, have a great rest of the week, and thanks for watching.